Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you are facing an issue on NVIDIA app that error code 0EX60000 or 640, so you can fix it by following these steps. So first thing you have to do is simply click on the start icon, go to settings. Now from here you can find at the bottom Windows Updates at the left side. So simply click on it, and this is the obvious thing that you have to make sure that you have updated your Windows system and downloaded all the necessary drivers that are needed to operate any application. Now another thing is you have to do is simply click on this start icon here, and I can simply click on control panel and go to control panel, and you can find programs and features. Simply click on program and features, and you have to scroll down until you find the NVIDIA app here. Now you have to right click on it and you have to uninstall this NVIDIA application. So when you have uninstalled it, it will appear an NVIDIA window where you can find the installation process or uninstall button at the bottom right corner. So you have to uninstall it. After uninstalling this NVIDIA app, you have to reinstall it from the official website like nvidia.com. Now you can go to this sorry for that here. So you have to select your location. So like here you can select your location from here, like I'm going to select Canada here. Now you can find these drivers. Simply click on drivers where you can search for a specific category. So simply click on product here, so you can choose any of this like Pro here, and you have to choose a model. So after choosing the model, you have to simply click on find, and you can find different types of drivers that you can download here from here. And here you can find some drivers, so you can download it from here, and then you can search for NVIDIA app. Simply hit enter, and you can find download NVIDIA app for gamers and creators. So you can find simply download now, and you can simply download it and reinstall it on your device, so it will work properly, hopefully. So make sure that all the drivers are properly installed. If in application is suggested any drivers uploaded from this driver section, so you have to make sure that you have installed download and installed all the drivers. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.